Let's look at electrician salary in North Korea. Asking how much does an electrician make in North Korea is tricky because there is no single answer. While a skilled worker gets roughly 30,000 to 80,000 KPW in state pay, two exchange rates exist at once. At the official rate, that same electrician income equals $2,571 to $6,857 every year. However, at the black market rate, those same electrician wages drop to $400 to $1,067. Neither figure shows full average electrician pay because workers get state rations and housing instead of cash alone. On top of that, people earn extra money through informal market trading. Since North Korea has no income tax, workers keep all their cash, but state pay was never meant to cover living costs like a Western salary. Small local enterprises pay the basic rate, while larger state companies might offer better benefits. That is why a single number cannot explain the full picture.